Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a simple recipe of Indian style cookies using Gulab Jamun mix. These delicious treats are perfect for Christmas or New Year's celebration with your loved ones. You'll only need 6 ingredients to make these mouth-watering cookies. Let's get started. First, combine half a cup of softened butter and 100 grams of sugar in a bowl. Mix until they are well combined. Next, add 2 cups of Gulab Jamun mix to the bowl. To avoid lumps, be sure to sieve the flour before mixing. Combine the ingredients until you get a smooth mixture. Now, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk to the dough and knead until it forms a smooth dough. Refrigerate the dough for 10 minutes to set. After refrigeration, you can add 1 tablespoon of ghee to the dough as it may harden slightly. However, this step is optional. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Roll the dough into balls, flatten them slightly and place them on the prepared baking tray. Using a 1 tablespoon spatula will help ensure uniform cookie size. By the way, I'm baking with a friend today, so you will see 4 hands and we're having a blast. You can also try this quick and easy recipe with your friends. It's a great way to spend quality time together and make some delicious treats. Sprinkle some chopped dry fruits on top. I'm using chopped cashews and almonds. I also made a special heart-shaped cookie just for you guys. If you're new here, please don't forget to click that subscribe button down below for more such fun content. Bake the cookies in preheated oven for 15 minutes. Once done, remove them from the oven and let them cool on the tray for 10 minutes. And that's it! Your Indian style cookies are now ready to be enjoyed. Happy baking, and don't forget to share your creations with me. Tag me on Instagram at sneha.infinities.